We'll start by talking about what net worth really means. Imagine it's like a backpack you carry throughout your life, filled with all the money you've saved and things you own, minus any debts or money you owe. We'll see how this backpack can get heavier with more savings as you get older. Please subscribe to my channel and stay till the end of this video as we dive into some smart ways to grow your net worth. It's like finding shortcuts on a road trip that save you time and get you to your destination faster. Finally, we'll discuss how to make your money last throughout your retirement years, so you can relax and enjoy your hard-earned rest. Our tale takes a turn to the adults, the heroes of their own stories. They might have families and homes with jobs that fill their days. They're the magicians turning earnings into meals, school trips, and cozy homes. They know that every penny saved today is a seed for tomorrow's garden. In their mid-30s to 50s, this age group commonly includes people who are well established in their careers, possibly raising families and managing a household. They're at a stage where financial planning and security are often a primary focus, looking to provide for their family's current needs while also saving for the future. Let's dig a bit deeper into what this stage of life looks like for adults. Financial planning. At this point, adults are thinking a lot about money, how much they need, how to save it, and what to spend it on. They're juggling daily costs, like groceries and bills, with bigger goals like saving for their kids' college or putting away money for retirement. Home ownership. Many in this group are homeowners, which means they've got mortgages to pay each month, but they also have to think about other costs, like property taxes, home repairs, and maybe a new paint job or a new roof now and then. Family expenses. If they've got kids, there's a lot to pay for. Things like clothes that kids outgrow fast, school supplies, and maybe sign-up fees for sports or dance classes. Birthdays and holidays can also mean extra spending. Saving for education. For those with children, setting aside money for education is a big deal. This can mean starting a college savings account, like a 529 plan, or just a regular savings account where they put money for the future. Retirement savings. It's also time to think about the long haul. That means putting money into retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs. The goal is to save enough to have a comfy life when work is done. Insurance needs. Adults at this stage often have various insurance policies like health insurance, life insurance, and maybe disability insurance. These help make sure they and their families are covered if something unexpected happens. Emergency funds. It's smart to have money saved up just in case, for emergencies like a car breaking down or someone getting sick. This is the safety net that can help keep them steady if things go topsy-turvy. Investment. Some might also be looking to invest. This could mean stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investments. The idea is to grow their money over time, but this also means learning about risks and how to manage them. This stage is all about balance. Adults are working to make sure their families are happy and healthy today, while also looking ahead to make sure they're set up for tomorrow. It's not always easy, but they are getting it done, step by step, penny by penny. The hourly earnings for folks in their mid-30s to 50s can vary a whole lot because it depends on what kind of job they do, how much experience they have, and where they're living. Different jobs. Some might be working as managers or have advanced in their careers to senior positions, which often pay more. Others might have skilled jobs like electricians or plumbers, which can also have good pay. Experience pays. By now, many have been working for years, and that experience can mean higher wages. Like someone who's been a nurse or a teacher for a bunch of years will usually earn more than when they started. Location matters. If they live in a big city where everything costs more, they might earn a higher hourly wage than in places where the cost of living is lower. For actual numbers, it's hard to pin down without knowing the job, but here's a rough idea. Entry-level managers or experienced professionals. They could be making anywhere from $20 to $50 an hour or more. Skilled tradespeople. They often earn between $15 to $40 an hour, sometimes more if they're self-employed or have lots of experience. Senior level executives or specialists. they could be making way more, like $50 to $100 an hour or even higher, especially if they're in high-demand fields. But remember, lots of adults in this age range are salaried, which means they get a set amount of money each year instead of an hourly wage. And those salaries can be all over the place, from around $50,000 a year up to $100,000 or more, depending on the job and the experience. Plus, they're probably thinking about things like benefits and retirement plans, not just their hourly pay. Nearing the end of our treasure map, we meet the elders, rich with memories. They've sailed the seas and climbed the mountains, and now they rest in the golden glow of their years. Elderly or seniors, typically people who are in the retirement phase of their lives. This age group usually starts around 65 years old and up, which is often considered the age range for retirement when people start to receive pension benefits and may rely on their savings for income. When folks reach their golden years, usually around 65 and older, they often shift gears from working full-time to enjoying retirement. This is the time when many people start getting pension benefits, which is like a paycheck for all the years they worked. Here's what happens. Pension plans. Some have pensions set up by their jobs. It's like their work saved up money for them to have when they stop working. It's a way to make sure they still get money regularly, just like when they were working. If they have a pension, that amount can really vary. Some pensions are small, like a few $100 a month, and others can be a lot more, even a few $1,000s a month, depending on the job and how long they worked there. Savings and investments. A lot of seniors also have money they saved up on their own, like in a 401k or other retirement accounts. They might have invested in stocks or real estate and can give them extra money now. Money from retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs depends on how much was saved over the years. They might take out a certain amount each month to live on. Social Security. In the United States, there's also Social Security. It's a government program that helps out with money every month. The amount they get depends on how much they earned while they were working and when they decide to start taking the money. Social Security can be a big part of what folks get. The amount can change based on how much they made when they were working and how old they were when they started taking Social Security. On average, it might be around $1,500 to $2,000 a month. Part-time work. Some seniors might even work part-time jobs or do volunteer work. It gives them a bit of extra cash and keeps them busy. They might make anywhere from minimum wage to higher hourly rates, especially if they're using skills from their careers. Investments. If they've got money in stocks, bonds, or other investments, they might earn money from that too, like interest or dividends. Gifts and legacy. Elders often love sharing what they have with their families, like helping out with college for the grandkids or giving them presents. It's a way of making sure their family remembers them and benefits from what they've worked for all their life. In summary, when people get to this stage, they rely on different pots of money that they've either saved, invested, or earned from pensions, plus any ongoing work to keep living their lives, enjoying their hobbies, and looking after their families. It's all about making the most of the years they've worked hard for. So, while it's not like a regular paycheck, seniors can still have money coming in from all these different places. It's about making sure they've got enough to enjoy their retirement without having to work full-time like they used to. But wait, this video isn't just about the money we earn or the things we buy. It's about the laughter we share, the tears we wipe away, and the love that makes every penny shine brighter. It's about the lessons learned from the piggy banks of childhood to the budgets of our prime and the generosity of our sunset years. So let's not just count our dollars and cents, let's count our blessings, our friendships, and our dreams. For in the end, the true treasures of our journey aren't just in our wallets, they're in the moments we share and the love we spread. As we close our book of life's riches, remember to walk with a heart full of dreams and pockets filled with the spirit of saving. Grow your treasures wisely, share them generously, and the map of your life will be more golden than you ever imagined. Thank you for watching my video on this grand adventure through the ages and stages of our financial lives. Keep sailing, keep climbing, and keep loving, because every chapter of your life is a priceless part of your story. May your life be rich with joy and your savings be as plentiful as the stars. Please click the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel.